Hey everybody, Ryan Breton here. We can feel pretty fortunate that we missed the brunt of Monday's blizzard. Southern New England got smacked with snow and wind. Eastern Connecticut through Rhode Island, southeastern Mass and the Cape. This was a historic storm. Nearly 3 feet of snow in a good part of Rhode Island. Providence, TF Green Airport, broke the record with about 37 inches that was set back in the blizzard of 1978. The good news is the coastal flooding wasn't on par with the blizzard of 78, which caused multiple high tide cycles of flooding, but the wind was dramatic. And as of midday on Tuesday, Cape Cod was still out of power, 85% without power as of midday on Tuesday. And the crippling amount of snow in such a short period of time has been really tough to clean up in southeastern New England. So fortunately for us, it was just a glancing blow.